Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're following the development of the Cosmic desktop environment, there's already another update. Just 1 week after the release of Cosmic 1.4, System 76 has officially launched Cosmic 1.5, bringing another round of stability improvements, bug fixes, and quality of life enhancements. Cosmic is an open source desktop environment written in Rust, designed to deliver a modern, fast, and reliable Linux desktop experience. While this isn't a feature packed release, it's an important one because it focuses on polishing the desktop and making it more stable for everyday use. One of the biggest improvements is in the Cosmic panel. The developers fixed the high CPU usage that could occur when the screen was locked. They've also resolved touch input issues and eliminated panel flickering when using the popular frosted glass effect, especially when maximizing windows or connecting external monitors. The update also improves overall hardware compatibility. Brightness related hangs have been fixed, and the desktop now handles display management more reliably. Screen recording support has also improved thanks to metadata cursor capture being added to XDG desktop portal Cosmic. If you use the built-in terminal, you'll appreciate that Cosmic Term now lets you configure terminal pane borders. Meanwhile, Cosmic Greeter, the login screen, now supports the Cosmic Keymap Unstable v1 Wayland protocol, improving keyboard handling during login. The Cosmic Compositor also receives several important fixes. Chromium-based applications now work correctly even when using display scaling below 100%. Developers have also fixed a dbus deadlock affecting accessibility features and resolved a rare GPU reset issue that could cause rendering failures and desktop crashes. The settings application has also become more polished. Slider controls have been refined, a display alignment bug causing tiny 1 pixel gaps has been fixed, and you can now import multiple wallpapers at once with support for storing up to 500 wallpapers. Network security has also improved because VPN usernames are no longer stored as secrets. There are a few smaller but welcome improvements too. The Cosmic Store now has better centered text alignment. The initial setup application fixes list alignment issues, and wallpaper handling now supports XF orientation, so photos display correctly without needing manual rotation. Overall, Cosmic 1.5 is another solid maintenance release. It may not introduce flashy new features, but it makes the desktop smoother, more stable, and more reliable. The rapid release cycle also shows that System 76 is actively refining Cosmic before wider adoption. If your Linux distribution packages Cosmic, you should receive this update soon through your software repositories. So what do you think about Cosmic's progress? Is it becoming a serious alternative to KDE Plasma and GNOME? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.